How to reset forgotten PIN on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can reset forgotten PIN in Amazon. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first step is open up a web browser and head over to this website. Head over to amazon.com/pin. Hit enter and you will be prompted to this website. Now you will be asked to log in into your account. So type in your password and then tap on sign in. So after you log in into your account, you will see Prime Video account PIN. So this is the PIN that you'll be using for your video account, also for your purchase restrictions, viewing restrictions, and everything. So here you can see this PIN bypasses purchase and viewing restrictions in your profile on this account. It also overrides all profile lock pins and all that. So to change it, tap on the change button. And after you tap on change, all you have to do is type in the PIN. After you type in the PIN, tap on the save button and then the PIN will be changed. And that's how you reset your PIN in Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.